The sun rises over the hills, marking the start of another beautiful day for Elena. Every morning feels like a fresh canvas, painted with the colors of the valley. She finds peace in the quiet moments, like the simple whistle of the kettle. Her garden is her pride, a small patch of magic she nurtures with care. A friendly face greets her back, ready to face whatever the day brings. The world outside is calling, and Elena is eager to answer. The forest path is a familiar friend, whispering stories with every step. Here, time slows down, and the air smells of dew and wild clover. The village wakes up slowly, just like the hills around it. A simple wave and a smile. Elena believes kindness is the best way to start a conversation. The aroma of baking bread is the heart of the morning market. Choosing the perfect loaf is a serious but joyful task. The sound of water is a song that follows her through the square. In her sketchbook, she captures the tiny details that others might miss. She's never truly alone. The local creatures always find their way to her. A little kindness shared makes the bread taste even better. The stream carries the mountain's secrets down to the valley floor. She gathers a bit of the wild to bring back home later. The library is her favorite destination, a sanctuary of paper and ink. Between the pages of these books, Elena finds 1,000 different worlds. Amongst the endless rows of stories, Elena finally finds the one she was looking for. The library is a quiet sanctuary where every floorboard has a song of its own. With her new companion tucked under her arm, she heads back toward the hills. She never misses a chance to appreciate the small wonders along the path. The journey home is just as beautiful as the destination. Home is a place where time seems to slow down just for her. The first thing she does is prepare a warm drink to settle the soul. The scent of chamomile and honey fills the air. As the sun begins its descent, the world transforms into a painting. In the pages of her book, she finds worlds beyond her window. Day gives way to evening in a silent, beautiful transition. Even the birds are heading home now. A long day of simple joys is the best kind of day. She lights a small flame to guide the night. The universe feels vast, yet she feels right at home. She moves with a gentle rhythm, preparing for rest. The day's work is done, and the night is a soft blanket. The world sleeps under the watchful eye of the moon. Wrapped in warmth, she lets her thoughts drift away. And so, Elena's day ends just as it began, with peace, beauty, and a heart full of gratitude.